Well, let's start by talking about advances in weight loss medication and GLP-1 drugs. What can we expect to see coming to the market next year? Oral treatments on the horizon?
Well, it should be a pretty busy year in terms of news flow. I mean, I was looking at this morning, we have 36 GLP-1 agonists or kind of similar type drugs in phase three at the moment, another 40 in phase two. So I think we can expect a really steady cadence of new clinical data that will help further inform valuations or timings and the competitive scenario. What I'm expecting for 26 is actually probably more of, yeah, there's going to be some interesting new data, but I'm looking mostly at still the dynamic between Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk. This year was the year in which their two drugs, semaglutide, tirzepatide, actually became the highest selling drugs on the market. So over Keytruda was dethroned. Next year, we're going to see continued momentum. This is a $90 billion market. We've seen price cuts in the US. We've seen this, which will help improve access. This could potentially afford a bit of an opportunity for a reset, especially as supply goes up. Hopefully, there's compounding is less of an issue, these compounding pharmacies. So the narrative so far has been very much that Eli Lilly has won the GLP-1 race. But with these dynamics, and in particular with the price changes and improved access, then there is an opportunity for this kind of Novo v Lilly race to be revisited on their first generation or on their current injectables. Of course, to have the next generation, we may see Eli Lilly's oral come to market next year and start to, gain some patient uptake. But the reality is we're expecting the market really to be dominated by the two main injectable versions of Lilly and Novo for the foreseeable. Yeah, there's going to be some exciting orals and other combinations and other types of drugs, but realistically, these are going to have a minority market share, at least for the medium term. Lots of exciting news, lots of potentially new market entrants and fragmentation of the market, but I would still focus primarily on that big picture dynamic between Novo and Lilly and market share.